shot the three well early on this season, but we're seeing different looks from the Nets, whether they're staying single coverage or sending a second at him early.
Loaded up. Taking his time, posting up a little fake. Tries to throw the lob, but look, sometimes those are just...
Dončič 1 of 6. Poole with a blitz and a long three. Luka!
Look at Steph. He's holding that right thigh.
He sure is.
See, this is the problem.
And he said in the post-game interview with us he was mad that he missed the ninth one. And it is Luka. And he puts the defense in a world of hurt again. Oh, look at that smile. Is 29 by Dirk Nowitzki, and 28 is the number right now for Luka with a minute 21 to go.
Now he's got Capella on him, so he brings it back out for a reset. 5 to shoot. Dončič behind the back. Here's the blow by. The floater. It's gone. First basket since the second quarter for Luka Dončič.
Long pass by Luka. Finney Smith, late clock. And Luka, he will launch it, and he will hit it! It is party time in Dallas, Texas!
A look crossover and step back against...
Poked away from Luka, into the backcourt, he'll pick it up, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. It's going to take some Luka magic to save the possession, and that's what it is!
Just draining it from the logo when nothing was going right. But you know what? We expect things like this from him. He does magical things on a regular basis.
Dončič.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we like that. Off balance.
That's sick, man.
Has made him the most accomplished international player that has ever come into the NBA.
4 seconds left for Dončić. From deep. Got it. He's feeling it. Luka Dončić with about, what was that, a 40-footer? At least. Watch it again as Dončić picks up points number 13, 14, and 15. Dallas outscores Houston in the second quarter 38-28.
Deep three. Wow, he banked it in! The legend of Luka continuing to be written for the rookie.
Ingles up on Luka. Jazz have a foul to give. Luka launches it.
And close the second quarter out the way they did. They're going to be in control. 8 for 14 from the three-point line. Luka adding to that from the three-point line and hanging out with the soldiers.
And Rudy Gay can live there. I mean, he's been hurt some, but
Luka long attempt. Oh, Luka magic strikes again. Pump three off the inbounds pass. You called it, Skid.
You take a look at the great finish that time by Luka. He practices that stuff.
Here's Dončič, thought about shooting the three. Shot clock winding down as Dončič fires and hits. And then he shrugs his shoulders.
He's been 0 for 5. And this time just trying to beat the clock. And he does with the switch.
Push it. Got numbers.
That's 5 on 4 right now. Luka ready to have a go. Right at Cody Zeller. Oh, what a finish and a foul.
Good things happen. This is all Luka here, just attacking in the open court. Showing off that tremendous skill.
Lets you know how high level his skill is.
Dončić. Oh, he banks it in! A half-court jump shot from Luka Dončić.
That he's not having as good of a half as he like, but he gets to his spot that he wants, and I know people think that's crazy, but that's what Steph does.
Giannis has 27 in the first half of a preseason game. Looking to make it 3 in a row. Oh! He has found the special place. Unfortunately, the only thing that's going to slow him down is halftime.
seconds left. He's going to knock this down.
He's going to shoot from half court.
3, 2. There's 2 seconds. There's the knockdown.
I caught it.
What a shot. There's the
Good
bucket.
call, Miles. He set that one up, too. Oh,
Yeah, he did.
great look at it, too. Off the glass.
Look at him. He used his right hand. It's a block.
Yep.
Well, that's 30 points in the third quarter for Luka Dončič with that three-pointer opportunity for a 4-point play.
And Portland now 13 of 25 from 3 as a team. Dončić got that one to go. Leading and leaping Luka Dončić.
The tone more on defense. Now this is just an incredible shot. Look at that. The defensive guy came over the top.
Boston up by 1. Dončić, the handles, the fake, the fade. It's pure. Luka Dončić with a fadeaway 3 to put Dallas in front by 2.